Let's set sail tonight as the World Bank Group is joining other top financial and development partners in collaborations with Nigeria for the actualizations of the 90,000-kilometer fiber optic cable project across the country. Group Managing Director and Chief Financial Officer of the World Bank Group, Anshula Kant, and her team met with President Bola Tinubu to discuss this new area of partnership. The World Bank delegation also discussed how to strengthen the existing areas of collaboration with Nigeria, particularly in agriculture, energy and social protection programs such as education and health. Minister of Communications and Digital Economy, Bosun Tijani, says this partnership is crucial, just as the digital infrastructure is equally central to the development of other critical sectors.
Nigerians always talk about the quality of the connectivity they get, but unfortunately quality is tied to availability of the right infrastructure. So for us as a government, we would like to fix this once and for all. We want people to be able to have fiber-based connectivity, whether it's at home or is that in the office, in schools, at hospitals. We can't do this without investing in that infrastructure. That's what that 90,000 kilometers is about. We've designed it in such a way that we have rings across all the geopolitical zones and each state as well. Looking at what's been already built, and we're completing the ring, ensuring that every state is properly covered. And once we do that, it means fiber-based connectivity can now get to the homes. And we enjoy the support of the World Bank. The World Bank is helping us to structure the round where government is putting money into this special purpose vehicle that is going to build and operate the fiber network, but we're also then getting 51% of the total funding from the private sector as well. And the entity is then going to be managed as an independent entity, not a government-led entity. The private sector will help us ensure that it is managed in a sustainable manner and that we can recoup our money back because people will pay for these services. So it's not one of those things where we take loans and we throw it into things that will not bring back the money.
Minister of Finance and Coordinating Minister of the Economy, Wale Edun, who described the World Bank as a viable partner, believes there are other prospects to come from the partnership which would enhance social and economic development.
Affordable access to finance across particularly the small and medium-scale enterprises, as well as, of course, the larger ones. That is the trajectory. That is the path now to growth for Nigeria. And we are all focused with our development partners. The World Bank is a trusted development partner of Nigeria, and we are all focused on achieving, in the very near future, the growth that will lift Nigerians out of poverty.
If the economy has to develop and grow, you need physical infrastructure, but also you need human capital. So we are focusing on both sides so that the country can progress toward accelerated growth and better jobs. But I must say that I shared with the President that congratulated the country and the President for embarking on such ambitious reforms, macroeconomic reforms, and staying the course. They are not easy to do, but already you can see the big improvements and forward growth and momentum that is taking place.